How do our genes control the development and behavior of cells, tissues, and organisms? How is the expression of these genes regulated, and how can gene mutation lead to complex diseases? These are some of the questions that we treat in the module Advanced Cellular and Developmental Biology. Our goal here is to deepen the students' understanding of molecular mechanisms controlling the development of organisms and how this regulation of these mechanisms lead to diseases. The module is subdivided into lectures on different topics. It contains a practical part with lab work and a section that is dedicated to the reading and presentation of scientific articles. The course language is in English, but the exam can be taken in English or French. There are 6 different topics that will be treated in this module. The first part of the lectures provides a detailed examination of the mechanisms controlling body patterning from the single cell to the adult. This course will also discuss how pathways controlling cell and tissue patterning are modified during evolution to lead to the incredible diversity of animal morphology in nature. The second part will treat the molecular mechanisms underlying circadian clocks and show how so-called clock genes regulate physiological responses and behavior. The third part focuses on cell cycle regulation and genome maintenance. The students will learn how cells commit to the cell cycle and coordinate with the mechanisms of DNA repair. In the fourth part of the module, we will explore the mechanisms of protein ubiquitination and their degradation by the proteasome. The fifth and sixth parts of the module treats the mechanism of transcription and post-transcriptional gene regulation that are fundamental for proper animal development and are often altered in human diseases. This part of the module is combined with practical lab work in which students will perform experiments using the zebrafish as model organism. The final goal of this module is to train students in the understanding and interpretation of the scientific literature, which is an essential professional skill. The training consists in learning how to read and present scientific articles. Then students will work on a scientific article of their choice and prepare an oral presentation for which they will be assisted by the teacher of the module. In conclusion, this module is ideal for students who have a strong interest in the understanding of molecular mechanisms that underlie biological processes such as development and diseases. It also provides an excellent training for subsequent master studies in molecular life science and medical biology.